In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform with PayPal Commerce platform so you can securely accept payments through your forms. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, open an existing form by clicking Edit Form or create a new form from scratch. In the form builder, click Add Element, then open the Payments section. Find PayPal Commerce platform and add it to your form. The payment settings will open automatically. Click Connect, enter a connection name if prompted, and select Connect with PayPal. Sign in to your PayPal business account, then review and approve the requested permissions to connect your account with Jotform. Once the connection is complete, return to the payment settings. Choose your preferred payment type such as sell products, then select the currency you want to accept. Next, click Product List or Add Product to create your products. Enter the product name, price and description, then upload product images if you'd like. After adding your products, review the payment settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. Finally, click Preview to test your form or Publish to make it live and start accepting payments through PayPal Commerce platform. That's how to integrate Jotform with PayPal Commerce platform. Thanks for watching.